welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious beef recipe for your tacos. It's going to be made in the oven. I know that you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing beef tacos, these are my ingredients: black pepper, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, chiles de árbol already toasted, tomatillos, cilantro, half an onion, half a cabbage, and of course, the round tip sirloin beef. This is everything you need to enjoy some amazing beef tacos. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start first here with the beef. I want to make sure that I season it very good. I have 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. We are going to cover the 2 pieces of beef completely from both sides. This is going to ensure that all those spices really stay in the meat and give the meat such a delicious flavor. We're gonna sear it. We're gonna make sure that all those juices stay inside the beef. Look at this. This is the best part. When you really sear it, all those juices don't come out. They stay inside of the meat. Make sure you get all the little edges and crevices nice and crispy. I'm going to lay the other piece. It's going to take about 5 minutes on each side. Make sure that it's nice and golden brown, just like this. Once they are both nice and golden brown, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to cover with foil paper, and it's going to the oven for 4 hours, 350 Fahrenheit. And here I have my tomatillos. I'm going to make this amazing and delicious salsa. I have the tomatillos, a little bit of chile de árbol, and I'm going to let them cook in medium-high heat. I'm going to continue with the veggies. I have 1 onion. I have 1 bunch of cilantro, and I have 1 whole cabbage. I'm going to use half in this recipe. I'm going to start by just slicing away. You could cube it. You can leave it nice and slice. You decide. And then I have my 3 garlic cloves. Here I have my lemon. I'm going to add the lemon into the cabbage mixture. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. The tomatillos are ready. I am ready to put them in the blender cup and blend away. Remember not to add too much liquid into this amazing salsa. I added 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember that salt is to taste. So here, nice and blended. I'm going to transfer it back to the saucepan, and I am going to leave it there until it comes to room temperature. While this is coming to room temperature, I am going to start mixing away the cabbage mixture, this topping that I'm going to add directly on top of my soft beef taco. If you love tacos like I love tacos, you're going to love this recipe. The beef, after being in the oven for 4 hours, it's going to come out so tender and so moist. I'm going to add some of the cabbage here. I'm going to go ahead and add some of the salsa in here. I didn't add it to everything because I know there's people that don't like too much salsa or spicy food, but I do. I love spicy food. So here I'm just going to leave it aside, and I can't wait to see how the meat is going to come out. After 4 hours, look at this. The meat is nice and tender, nice and moist, really easy to pull apart with 2 forks. The aroma, oh my gosh, just amazing. You need to try it. You need to make these delicious soft tacos. Look at this. Like I always say, when you cook at home, everything comes out perfect. On the skillet, I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil. I want my tortillas to be nice and soft, pliable, and now I am ready to create the magic of my delicious tacos. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you make these amazing soft tacos with this crispy topping of the cabbage right on the top. And of course, I'm going to use the cabbage that has the salsa. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Beautiful family, I am ready to enjoy these amazing beef tacos. Soft and delicious. And with the cabbage on the top, just perfection made at home. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing soft beef tacos with the cabbage right on the top and the salsa, just amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing, soft, and delicious beef tacos. And of course, I have a hibiscus lemonade that you already have on my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye. Beautiful family, come and enjoy this amazing chile relleno in creamy sauce with corn and Mexican rice. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing, delicious, creamy, cheesy chile relleno. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.